Hello friends! With discarded plastic bottles like this, we can create unique and beautiful works. In this video, I would like to show you how to grow 10-hour flowers in a very unique way like this. Please follow along below. These are discarded plastic bottles. With a few simple tools like this, you can watch me turn them into unique works right below. First, I will use a pen to draw out the places that need to be cut. Done. Now I'm going to cut along these lines. Do you know what these holes are for? We will plant flowers here. Above this, I will cut a large hole. We will add soil and fertilizer from this hole. Remember to make drainage holes. Next, I mix the soil to plant flowers. This is soil mixed with rice husk ash. And this is coconut fiber. Add some manure. Mix them together. Let's put it in a bottle. If you watch the video, if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you doing that. These are 10 o'clock flower stems. Now let's plant it. Just plug it in like this. It's easy, isn't it? Done. Now I will make an automatic watering system for it. I use this small plastic bottle. Punch a hole in its lid. Next, I use the stick. It has a filtration system at both ends to reduce the amount of water. Apply glue to secure and prevent water from leaking. Now try putting it in and see How wonderful! Now let's add the water. See, the watering is very slow. Now I will tie the string to hang it up. Completed, now just need to sit and wait for the flowers to grow. While waiting, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. After 1 week of waiting, and after 1 week, after 1 month guys, it's finally blooming. How do you see this approach? Please leave a comment below. If you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Remember to share for everyone to see. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again in the next video.